It is Sunday, the 9th of July. Sunday, 9th of July. Yes, that's correct. And I'm going to Walmart. It's still morning, so I feel, very good about getting up and being productive this early in the morning. Unfortunately, like I mentioned last night, no disc golf today. It's not going to be something that there is time for because of the league event at the course, and then it's going to get hot in the afternoon, and it's just not something that's going to happen. But I can go to Walmart and help Serena. She's not feeling too hot today. She's feeling a bit under the weather. I'm going to get her some things that'll hopefully make her feel better. It's pie time, buddy. Mr. Gorn, is that why you're running around? You know it's pie time? Is that so? No, you don't have any idea what I'm talking about, do you? And the snacks were a success. Barely. There was only one pie left, but we had pie. So ultimately, that's all that matters. Relatively boring Sunday. I mean, going to Walmart was like the most exciting thing, and I guess anytime you can say that, well, it's gonna be a pretty low-key day, which it was, and that's not a bad thing, right? I think we're stringing together now 3 or 4 like straight up lazy Sundays, like one very lazy day a week since we got back from Colorado, which is good, which is very good. We slept in too a little bit later, and we're actually going to bed at an earlier than usual time, so rest was had this weekend, and that'll be necessary too because there's a full week next week. No federal holiday to break it up. 5 straight days of, well, labor, essentially. Either way, that's fine. Already looking forward to next weekend and the potentiality of disc golf since the rain stole it from us this weekend. But either which way, oh yes, Serena's mouthing things to me from across the room. There is potentially something else we'll be getting to next weekend too that I forgot was next weekend. But that's a topic for a few days from now. So thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it and hope that you enjoyed yourself. And with that said, I'll see you tomorrow.